Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Well, we've been here a few times, and it was 3 weeks to the day actually that we were here, and there's been a lot accomplished in here. So as you can see, and if you can remember and you watched previous episodes, there was walls basically around the entire kitchen, and then it was enclosed with the walls. So we've taken all the walls out, skimmed the entire area with drywall compound, and Ted did that first, did a great job. And we basically flat taped all these ceilings. Electricians came in, they did all their stuff. We had to kind of ask some people to leave because this is like a big day. We have the electricians in here, we're still painting, we're trimming, we're hooking up plumbing. We got a lot of stuff going on in here today, but we're trying to get it done by the end of the week. And it's came along quite nicely. As you can see, the kitchen's all installed. A little bit of kick plate still to go in. Wall oven and microwave are in now. Electrical is getting there. Here's one of our pennant lights. He was hooking it up just as we got here. Plumbing for the temporary sink is going in too. So Scott's doing this for us right now. So we're just putting a temporary sink in because it takes about 3 weeks to get the actual quartz countertops or granite countertops in this case. And the island's ready to go too, and there's going to be a nice cooktop in here, so we have a downdraft system going in. But the big things in here, we've been here 3 weeks, just to give people an idea on how long a reno takes. We basically gutted the entire main level, 2 bedrooms, the kitchen, living room, family room, basically dining room, redid it all, took all the walls out. The ceiling takes a while to do because you have to skim it all. Then you had obviously walls attached to the ceilings. We had to make sure that they were nicely flat taped. And then all the electrical. We also have speakers going in here, so you can see there's a green wire hanging down here, and there's another green wire over on the far side, and they're going to be speakers inside the ceiling, and then they'll go to a receiver. So quite a nice feature if you're doing it. You basically turn your receiver on and you have music going through the whole rest of the house. Hardwood flooring through the entire area, so obviously the hardwood goes in before the actual kitchen does. So what we have to do is put the hardwood down. We're still obviously painting, trim goes on after the hardwood, but the good thing is that we cover the entire floor. Now one thing I did notice is the appliance people brought the fridge and they kind of set it on the hardwood, so I'm hoping that there's no issue with that, but we'll actually bring some quarter ply and put it on quarter ply and actually put it into the opening for the kitchen. So we'll come back here again and we'll continue to talk about this renovation.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.